Bam. Got some more stuff that fell off the UPS truck. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Ride or Drive back with another one. My last video, you seen how I actually got these parts in. I actually got a roll of carbon fiber and actually put this on, which looks pretty good actually. Easy to install. You know, just basic vehicle wrap, and you just kind of get a squeegee and put it in. So the next mod I've had, gotta drop of something here. Next mod I had is that I purchased, actually this came in today, is the compartment to separators. I have a microfiber, so if I need to clean it, this is my problem here with this Tesla. Got a bunch of stuff in here, and there's no organization with this. You know, it needs a little bit of ways where you can organize stuff and keep everything nice and tidy and separated. So this is where this box comes in. This is an 8-piece kit. So it does have a charge pad. I believe it has 2 compartment separators for this. It's got some liners for the cup holders. It also has some separators for this, and then under here it's got another one. So I'm gonna start taking this stuff out and seeing how it fits. Hopefully it fits right. I did order this for the Highland model, which is mine, the 26, so I'm hoping that it will work. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what parts go to which one. Alright guys, so I got the box open. I'm going to go through every one and show you what this is. So this, I believe, goes under the armrest. It's a little compartment that you can stick on, and it gives you the opportunity to put stuff there, maybe paperwork, like registration paperwork, stuff like that, or even the key cards would work on this. So this goes with double-sided tape. You just stick it on there under the armrest, and that's how that goes. The key thing on this one is to clean the armrest, I usually use like rubbing alcohol, 90% rubbing alcohol, and that'll get it to stick. So the next one, I really like this. I like how it feels. Okay, so this liner I believe goes under the armrest. It does have a hole here, so I'm assuming for the charge cable. So that's one piece there. I'm gonna put this on the floor as I take out everything else. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm trying to do the best I can. This is another one that has a hole on it. This one looks very similar to the other one. The other one's a little smaller. So this is another one that's going to go to under the armrest, that part. You can see it's got a little hole there. I'm assuming that's where your phone charger cable is coming out of. So this one I'm not going to use. This is the black charge pad that goes there. I'm not going to use this one, but I'm going to keep it just in case someone needs it. Okay, this here, I believe that covers that camera, the one that faces you. I don't know if I'll use this. I don't know if it sticks on there. But if you're using the fully self-driving, I'm assuming you won't be able to use that. But it does cover the camera if you need to. I wonder how this works. Without taking it out of the box, I don't know. It looks like it does have something that slides. I might use that. We'll see. The next one, I believe, is going to be for the front. I'm having trouble getting this out of the box. So this one, I believe, goes in this front one. I'm going to have to take all my stuff out and then install them. I don't know how this goes. I have to figure this out. Hopefully this works, man, because I thought this was for the Highland. I don't know where this one goes. I gotta figure that one out. Then we have the cup holder. So that's gonna go right there in my cup holder. It's actually rubberized so it'll keep stuff from kind of flying around. I'm gonna drop that in there right now. Okay, so this one just dropped in there. It's a rubberized, so it keeps stuff from sliding around. That one's pretty cool. And this one, last one, is just like the other one that I took out of the bag, which I'm assuming it's gonna go for the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my stuff out of my compartments, because I gotta empty all that stuff out, and I'll show you how these work. Alright guys, so I had to figure out how all this stuff goes. So there's one that goes all the way in the bottom there. You got to find out what part goes where. And then this one goes here, and it just slides up and back and forth, so you could put stuff down there. We've seen the cup holders one. The one that was kind of, took me a while to figure out where it went, was this one here. And then the longer one, I don't know if I can get my phone down there. The longer one goes in the bottom. So you could put change here, keys. It's kind of hard to see because it's so dark down there. And this one just drops down there. I'm wondering, yeah, it goes this way. So you got to kind of play with it, because this stuff doesn't come with any instructions. So your charge cable is going to come out of here, and then that's how you charge. So as you can see, I got a lot of stuff I got to put in there, including my firearm, which I do carry everywhere I go because I'm licensed, and I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to put that. But it's pretty handy. Actually, I'm going to put all my stuff back in here. Let's see how I can organize it like this, because I don't have to, kind of play around with everything. And I carry a couple of garage door openers. And so it's going to be pretty easy to find. I carry these things, so it's going to be pretty easy to find. And then I have one for my home garage, which is this one, so it'll be easier for me to carry them, or put them rather, here, and I'm not going to be, looking for them when I need to. So that's that part. Other parts I got coming in, I got a carbon fiber. Well, actually, it's not even carbon fiber, it's a carbon fiber print spoiler, and I got some new wheel covers that are coming in, so I'll show you that on the second part of the video. And then this doodad, I don't know if I'll put it on. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get it out of the bag and see how this actually goes. Alright guys, so did put all my stuff inside these organizer trays, and they do actually come in handy. This one slides back and forth. I got my sunglasses on top, a couple of little things that I use a lot, my gum, and my firearm is down there. Now these are removable. You can remove them if you need to be, but I do have easy access to reach for my firearm from the front. I'm going to figure out another way where I can carry that a little bit better. So this is the other one in the back. You can see here, and I got my stuff down there. The charge cable, which is, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark, but this one goes in there. And then that little hole, which you saw right there, that little hole is what the charge cable will go through. Now this one here, it doesn't slide, but if you need to get to the bottom axis, you just grab it. The cup holder, you would saw that, and then this, it'll do that where I carry my my paperwork, my registration and stuff. So stuff works pretty good. Very happy with it. Inexpensive little set. I think these are 25 on Amazon. I'll put a link of them. And then the little one for the camera I did not use. It was a little double-sided tape. To me, it just didn't. I don't have a need for that at all, so I didn't use that. And I got the wheel covers in. I'll show you those right now. And the spoiler I got from the Facebook Marketplace, and the wheel covers were sent to me from Facebook Marketplace also. So I'll show you footage of that right now, and then I'll close out this video, and then I'll talk about other mods that I'm thinking of doing. Alright, so here's the spoiler. You can see it's a carbon fiber print. I'm not too fond of it. I should have just got a gloss back. I think it'll look a lot better, or get a real carbon fiber. But it works. It looks good. I like the way it looks. Matches the car pretty good. I gotta clean that bottom. I had to clean this car. This car is really dirty. So these are the wheel covers that I got. They are I think they call them the turbine type of wheel covers. I like them. They do make the wheel appear a lot more bigger because it covers more of the tire. So there you go with those two mods, guys. They look good. I got these up for Facebook Marketplace. The wheel covers were sent to me by a guy I bought them from, and then the spoiler I got this really cheap Facebook Marketplace. It was brand new. It had double-sided tape. Really simple to install. You measure these two ends here, put some masking tape. When you get the measurements, it's properly centered, and then I put masking tape in the middle. So once I had it all measured out, I knew exactly where I got to lay it down. I put it down, you know, kind of press it down. Let it sit for about 24 hours before you actually drive the car, which I did. I was riding my motorcycle in the heat, and damn, it's hot in Arizona. Feels like Arizona has its own damn sun. Anyhow, so yeah, just let it sit, and there it is right there. So it does give a different look to the car. It looks good, actually, with the spoiler. I really like the way it looks. It really came out pretty good. So there you go, guys. Next mod that I'm planning on doing is going to be the window tint. The window tint is something that I desperately need. As you know, I live in Arizona, and it's really hot. The summertime right now is ridiculous. So I definitely need some tint, so that'll be my next mod. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the road. Peace.